Unlocking the fun, understanding, join the party vibe. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a lively and inviting phrase that you might have heard or seen around. Join the party vibe. This expression is all about inclusivity, fun, and being part of something exciting. So, let's break it down together and discover how you can use it to add some sparkle to your English conversations. Join the party vibe is a phrase that combines two key components, join and party vibe. To join means to become a part of something or to participate in an activity. A party vibe refers to the atmosphere or feeling associated with a party, which is typically lively, joyful, and full of energy. When someone says, "Join the party vibe," they're inviting you to be part of an enjoyable and energetic environment. It's not just about attending a physical party. It's about embracing a positive and fun attitude wherever you are. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts to encourage someone to lighten up, have fun, or become more involved in a social situation. Here are a few examples of how you might use or encounter join the party vibe in conversations. Inviting someone to a gathering. "We're having a get-together this weekend. Come join the party vibe with us." Encouraging someone to participate more actively. "Don't be a wallflower. Join the party vibe and dance with us." To cheer someone up. "You seem a bit down today. Let's go out, join the party vibe, and forget our worries for a while." Understanding the cultural context behind phrases like "join the party vibe" is crucial in language learning. This expression embodies a universal desire for connection, celebration, and shared happiness. It's a reflection of how language can be used to bring people together, encourage participation, and create a sense of belonging. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase can be seen as an extension of openness and friendship, offering a welcoming hand to those who might feel left out or hesitant to participate. We hope this exploration of join the party vibe has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to embrace the joy and camaraderie it represents. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words, it's about understanding the feelings and cultures behind them. So, the next time you hear, "join the party vibe," you'll know it's an invitation to enjoy life's moments together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning. See you in the next video.